Hey there, this is Rousseau with the ITONICS Academy, and I'll be presenting this course on managing your AI portfolio. We'll explore how companies can build a winning AI opportunity portfolio, answering 4 key questions along the way. First, we'll explore why do you need an AI opportunity portfolio? Managing an AI portfolio and understanding the potential impact on your industry will help ensure that your investments remain relevant. Second, how do you map your AI opportunity portfolio? We'll discuss the steps to map out AI opportunities across different departments and identify where AI can positively impact your business. Then, we'll get into how do you prioritize AI opportunities. Tools like radars and matrix diagrams help you visualize and compare different opportunities, making it easier to focus on those with the most potential. At the end, I'll provide steps for how to optimize your AI opportunity portfolio. This is a continuous process, ideally done with a group of relevant experts in your organization. So, let's consider the first question. Why do you need an AI opportunity portfolio? Well, there's a lot of hype around artificial intelligence, and it's understandable considering the recent breakthroughs in machine learning models. The impressive capabilities of AI tools to generate text and images captured the public's attention in 2022. But these use cases are just the tip of the iceberg. AI is set to transform and disrupt many industries. Despite all the excitement, there's a gap between the hype and the actual adoption rates of AI in businesses today. Let's break it down. US companies have invested nearly $290 billion in AI. Projections estimate global investment between 1.2 and 3.8 trillion across sectors like healthcare, driverless cars, and banking. But consider this, at the start of 2024, only 5.4% of US companies had actually adopted AI. Why is that? Well, many companies are struggling to calculate the business value of AI, making it tough to justify the costs. It's also complex. Integrating AI into existing IT systems is challenging, especially for companies burdened with outdated tech infrastructure. What are they missing out on? Accenture estimates that AI will increase profitability rates by an average of 38% by the year 2035. So, investing in AI-driven initiatives could yield big financial benefits for companies in the long term. The question isn't if AI adoption will catch up to the investments, it's when. Maybe your company is an early adopter and different departments in your organization already use a range of AI applications. If that's the case, you still need an AI opportunity portfolio to reduce the complexity or just get oversight of resource allocation. If they're paying for different AI tools for the same purpose, that's inefficient. You need to build an AI opportunity portfolio to future-proof your business, ensuring your investments remain relevant in a rapidly evolving tech landscape. This means assessing the use case and business value of each AI tool relative to its maintenance costs. The goal is to increase the return on investment of your AI initiatives. Start with a comprehensive mapping to understand the current usage of AI in your organization and identify opportunities for the future. Let's go through the steps of how to do this. Step 1. Map your key business areas. This will be your organization's current departments, marketing, finance, human resources, and so on. But also consider what business functions you may need in the future to, for instance, expand into new markets or prevent disruption. If you expect your business to evolve significantly, You can even create two separate views, a Horizon 1 portfolio for the current core business and a Horizon 2 or 3 portfolio for the future functions of the business. If you need a refresher on the 3 Horizons model, check out our course on Innovation Portfolio Management Essentials. Step 2. Now, look at each business area you've mapped out and list how AI applications could benefit it. Think of operational inefficiencies, customer pain points, or explore news reports of AI innovations in the market and consider how these could apply to your business. Let's say your organization is in the healthcare industry. Here are 3 examples of AI opportunities you could list. AI-powered diagnostic imaging systems that enhance the accuracy and speed of analyzing medical images, such as X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans, leading to early detection of various conditions. 2. Personalized medicine that uses AI to analyze genetic, environmental, and lifestyle data to tailor the treatment for individual patients based on their predicted drug response. This can support clinical decisions and minimize adverse effects. Or AI-enhanced robotic surgery that automates stitching and tissue dissection to provide surgeons with greater precision and reduce their workload. This could improve surgical outcomes and patient recovery times. Those are 3 examples for healthcare. Now, think of equivalent AI opportunities for your industry and organization. List these opportunities and describe their potential impact. That will help stakeholders make informed investment decisions later on. Step 3. Decide what rating criteria you'll use to assess these AI opportunities. We recommend that you use these 3 criteria: potential impact, complexity, and need for action. But depending on what's important to your organization, you could add additional criteria, such as internal know-how or scope. You can find more criteria options in our cheat sheet on how to rate technologies in the resources section of this course. You'll ultimately use your selected criteria to compare AI opportunities and identify which ones to prioritize. Evaluating opportunities is best done collectively, involving the perspectives of internal and possibly even external subject matter experts to end up with an aggregated rating. But for now, you can do your own preliminary rating of the AI opportunities you've listed according to the criteria. Take the time to consider each opportunity and score it in terms of potential impact, complexity, and need for action. Once you've done this preliminary rating, you want to visualize this information in a way that you can easily share with colleagues and get their input. We recommend using a radar visualization for this purpose. Once you've rated your AI opportunities based on potential impact, complexity, and need for action, the next step is determining which of these should take priority. This is where visualization tools like radars and matrix diagrams come into play, offering an intuitive way to make sense of your data. A radar provides a view of how different AI opportunities stack up against one another. Imagine all your AI initiatives spread across the radar, with those closer to the center signaling urgent, high-priority opportunities. These are the initiatives that need immediate attention to keep your organization ahead in the AI race. Those further from the center may still be valuable but are less pressing, allowing your team to allocate resources more efficiently. This gives you a quick overview that's easy to understand and perfect for aligning your team on which projects demand focus now and which can be addressed later. A matrix, on the other hand, enables a more detailed analysis. By plotting your AI opportunities along two dimensions, such as impact and complexity, you get a clearer picture of which projects provide the biggest payoff with minimal effort. For example, a project that scores high on impact but low on complexity is a quick win, perfect for short-term execution. Meanwhile, projects that are both high impact and high complexity may represent more ambitious, longer-term initiatives requiring more resources and strategic planning. Using these tools helps you visually organize the opportunities and highlights where your focus should be. It also encourages collaboration, as these visuals are easy to share and discuss with stakeholders. Plus, seeing everything laid out clearly helps your team make decisions and prioritize AI opportunities that will truly move the needle for your business. We've come to the final part of this course, how to optimize your AI opportunity portfolio. So, now that you've gathered the relevant information and visualized it, next, I'll share 6 recommended steps to optimize your AI portfolio. Doing these steps as a group is wise because you'll get perspectives from different departments. Step 1. Assess opportunities. Opportunity assessment involves exploring potential AI opportunities and assessing their viability in terms of expected returns and implementation risks. You've already done a version of this on your own. It's ideal to involve a broader group within your organization, allowing others to share the potential they see and fostering a greater sense of ownership in the process. Step 2. Prioritize opportunities. Prioritization goes beyond selecting high potential opportunities. It's about aligning your AI initiatives with your company's evolving strategy. This involves determining which projects should be scaled, paused, or stopped to focus on what drives the most value. By making these decisions early, you ensure the portfolio remains agile and impactful. Step 3. Allocate resources. Effective resource allocation ensures each AI project has the right mix of funding, expertise, and time to succeed. Prioritize initiatives based on strategic impact, but remain agile. Resources should be reallocated as priorities shift or new opportunities arise. Aligning resources with the overall business strategy is key to maximizing AI's potential across the organization. Step 4. Track progress. To know how your AI portfolio is performing, you need to use metrics to track progress. Whether an AI application is already implemented or still in development, you'll want some standardized measures that you can view on a dashboard to see if it's on track or delivering results, for instance, in terms of efficiency gains. Step 5. Monitor the environment. There could be new breakthroughs entering the market or risks in terms of AI legislation and societal pressure. That's why we recommend integrating a continuous foresight process into portfolio management to help identify potential issues, flag opportunities, and prepare an appropriate response. This ensures that your AI portfolio remains contemporary and adjusts as your business environment evolves. Step 6. Review and adjust. Regularly reviewing the portfolio ensures it remains forward-looking and aligned with future value, rather than stuck in outdated priorities. This often means identifying zombie projects, those kept alive by the sunk cost fallacy. Managing a portfolio requires tough decisions, reallocating resources from underperforming initiatives to new, high-potential opportunities that better serve the business. A portfolio is not a roadmap set in stone. It's a prioritized set of initiatives that evolves in response to internal experimentation and external forces. Those are the 6 recommended steps to optimize your AI opportunity portfolio. While you could technically do this all in an array of documents, spreadsheets, and presentation slides, we believe it's much more efficient to do it on the ITONICS platform. ITONICS has an end-to-end toolset that makes portfolio management easier, including customizable radars, opportunity matrix charts, Kanban board, as well as automated trend and technology monitoring for foresight. The ITONICS Innovation OS brings everything together in one place, making it easier to stay on top of your initiatives and spot high potential opportunities. With a clear view of your portfolio, you can confidently direct your resources where they'll have the greatest impact. Your resources are finite, so you need to make the most of them. If you want to see how ITONICS can upgrade your company's approach to portfolio management, just book a demo with our experts. So, that concludes our course on AI portfolio management. Thanks for joining me. I hope you found it useful, can now go and apply these steps to benefit your business. As you continue to grow and innovate, we encourage you to explore our other Academy courses and online resources that you'll find on our website. See you next time.